Hi, I'm Kandie Frederick with Country Real Estate. So as an agent, you have an open house event coming up. What can you do to make sure it's a huge success? Hosting a successful open house can help with the selling process and can bring you new business as well. To ensure your open house is a success, we'll go over 3 tips and strategies to ensure that buyers walk away from your open house with offers already in their minds. First tip, create a welcoming atmosphere. First impressions matter, and creating a warm and inviting atmosphere can significantly impact a potential buyer's perception of the property. Make sure the curb appeal is A+, the house is cleaned and decluttered, and there's plenty of light in the house. I also heard that described as look good, smell good, feel good. Does it feel welcoming? Second, effective marketing and promotion. To ensure a successful turnout, strategic marketing and promotion are essential. Utilize a mix of traditional and digital methods to maximize your open house's visibility, including online platforms, physical signs, and word of mouth through your network. Consider inviting neighbors too. Last and most importantly, engage with attendees and offer information. Yes, we get a lot of looky-loos and curious neighbors at an open house, but in this market, if buyers are attending an open house, chances are they are actually considering buying a home, even if it's not that home. So don't be afraid to ask them questions. What brought them to this home? How are they searching for properties right now? Maybe you can assist them. Providing relevant information can make a significant impact on their decision-making process. Be sure to be approachable. Know about the subject property, recent sales, trends, and data that makes you a valuable resource. Hopefully you found these tips helpful. If you have any questions or would like more detailed advice on your specific situation, don't hesitate to reach out by phone or email. I look forward to hearing from you.